Checking out some new earbuds today from Bowers & Wilkins, the Pi7 S2s. I thought I'd show you these in comparison to the AirPods Pro, as it's a pretty good benchmark for most people. The button on the back of the case activates retransmission mode. Essentially, this allows you to connect your buds to any standard 3.5mm jack, so that's pretty cool. I love the design of these buds. In many ways, the design is more like how Apple used to design, with the brushed aluminium frame and the sleek finish. They're probably the best looking buds that I've seen. So if you look at this graph, you can see that the lower the line, the better the noise cancelling. So the noise cancelling of the Pi7s isn't fantastic in some of the bass frequencies, but actually outperforms the AirPods Pro in the treble frequencies. So this is me testing the audio quality on the Pi7S2s. So hopefully you guys can hear this okay. This is what they sound like in a quiet environment. And in contrast, this is what the AirPods Pro sound like in a quiet environment. This is what the AirPods Pro sound like in a loud environment. And this is what the Pi7S2s sound like in a loud environment. These are easily the best sounding buds that I've ever used. But if you're looking for everyday usability, I probably wouldn't get these. There's better options out there for that. And with that, I'll say goodbye. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.